Hello everyone, myself I.S. Singh, King of Geography, another name is Jay. This is the special video for English medium students. I am making a group for English medium students. They should tell me your details like which preparation are you doing, like school lecturer, assistant professor, NET, JRF, and UPSC optional. So you have to inform me, okay? And I am also want to know from you that where are you from, which state are you belongs to, like you are from North India or South India, because most of the students belongs to South India who are English medium. Basically English is very simple there, and their basic needs completed with English in South India. So everyone knows English in South India, and if you are my student, so you should tell me where are you from, okay? And I am also informing you that I will be uh, take classes on YouTube and my app for English medium students. The classes will be bilingual, and you have to join it, and you have to inform me which qualification you have, like assistant, like school lecturer exam qualified or not, interview call has been done or not, and have you complete your net exam, are you net exam qualified. This is the basic questions from my side. You have to inform me, and you have to also inform me that what are you doing nowadays, and also inform me that you are joined library or not, you are doing self study and coaching. If you joined coaching, so you have to tell me that which coaching you are related to, from which coaching are you studying, like azimuth coaching, abhipray coaching, abhivyakti coaching, which coaching an academy, which coaching is you related. I know the teachers on these coachings don't know even E of English, and they can't afford like you students. And also I am informing that Geography by I.S. Singh is my YouTube channel, and Geography by I.S. Singh is my Telegram group, and Geography by Jay Singh is my application or app name. This application is very helpful for students of school lecturer, assistant professor, and NET JRF, and UPSC prelims optional and prelims. Okay, so you have to inform me what are you doing, where are you from, what are you reading nowadays, which preparation are you doing, and which state you relate from. All information you have to message me, you have to DM me, you can personal message me. My WhatsApp number is 9358404905. you have to send me every detail of yours, and you have to inform me that sir, I am doing this and I want to this, how can this possible. You can receive all questions answers from me, and you have to take care of you. And this was a special session for English medium students. So hopefully you have to good, I am very fine, hopefully you will be very good, very fine. And what is going on, tell me. Bye bye everyone, thank you so much.